Hi friends, Miss Howard here, and today we're going to do a number sense routine. I want you to look at the picture and think about how many you see. Pause the video to give yourself a minute to think. Let's take a look at the picture. Some of you might have said 14. What do you think they would have seen to get the number 14? Well, let's count the number of dice. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 dice. What if they said 4? I see 2 things in this picture that would get me the number 4. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 orange dice, and I see 4 blue dice. What if you had a friend that said, I see 40? Where could they have gotten the number 40? Well, I see green dots in groups of 5. Let's count how many groups of 5 with those green dots we see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see 8 groups of 5 green dots. I know that 8 groups of 5 is 40, and I can count to check. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. What if you had a friend say, I see 20? Well, there's 3 different ways that I see 20. Can you find those 3 different ways? Pause the video to give yourself a minute to look and see 3 ways to see 20. If I look at the orange dice and add up all the green dots, I would have 4 groups of 5, which would give me 20. That's one way. Another way they could have gotten 20 is by looking at the dots on just the blue dice. There we see another group showing 4 groups of 5 to get 20. If they were looking at just the purple dice with 5 dots, that would be another 4 groups of 5 showing 20. What if you heard 32? Where would someone see 32 in this picture? I see, if I'm looking at the purple dice, I see 4 groups of 5, and I see 2 groups of 6. I know that 4 groups of 5 is 20, and 2 groups of 6 is 12. 20 plus 12 is 32. 60. Where would somebody see 60? Pause the video and see if you can figure it out. Let's look at those groups of 5. Let's count how many we have all together. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 groups of 5. 12 groups of 5. Well, I know that 10 and 2 makes 12. So if I take 10 groups of 5 and add it to 2 groups of 5, I would get 50 plus 10, which gives me 60. There are 60 dots on all the dice with 5 dots. I wonder how many dots we have altogether. I want you to think multiplicatively about how you see these dots. And on a Google document or on a piece of paper, I want you to write an equation that shows me how many dots we have. Again, think about this multiplicatively and not just by adding or counting. How would that look? Show your work and then upload it onto your Google Classroom for your teacher to see. Have a great day.